There's a little blue jar sitting in almost every bathroom cabinet in America right now, and you have no idea what it can actually do. Forget bug spray, forget exterminators. That jar of Vicks VapoRub you use for colds? Pest control companies do not want you to know this exists. Today I'm showing you 13 ways to use it to wipe out ants, roaches, mosquitoes, mice, and more for pennies with zero chemicals in your home. Stick around because number 9 is the one nobody talks about, and it's the one that works best on mice. Before we get into the list, let's talk about why this works, because this isn't just an old wives' tale. Vicks VapoRub's core ingredients are camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol. These are the same categories of compounds found in a lot of commercial, natural insect repellents. Strong, sharp-smelling plant oils that bugs and rodents use their sense of smell to avoid. Insects and pests navigate by scent trails and airborne cues far more than we do, and overwhelming that system with a strong, unfamiliar scent is often enough to make them turn around and look for dinner somewhere else. It's not a poison. It's not going to kill an infestation overnight. Think of it as a repellent and deterrent, not an exterminator. Used consistently in the right spots, it's a genuinely useful tool in your natural pest control toolbox. Let's get into the 13 methods. Method 1. Mosquitoes. Dab a small amount of Vicks on your ankles, wrists, and the back of your neck before heading outside in the evening. The strong menthol eucalyptus scent disrupts a mosquito's ability to lock onto you. You can also rub a thin layer onto your shirt collar or the edge of your sleeves if you'd rather not put it directly on skin for long periods. Quick safety note, always patch test on a small area first and keep it away from eyes and broken skin. Method 2. Ants. Ants follow invisible scent trails laid down by the scouts. Just smear a thin line of Vicks along windowsills, door thresholds, baseboard cracks, or any entry point where you've spotted ants marching in, and reapply every few days since the scent does fade over time. It won't eliminate an existing colony or nest, but as a chemical-free way to stop new ants from finding their way into your home, it's a simple, budget-friendly first line of defense. Method 3. Flies. Drop a spoonful of Vicks into a bowl of hot water near an open window or kitchen counter. As it melts, it releases a strong vapor that flies hate. This is especially good for that stretch of counter by the back door where flies always seem to congregate. To keep them away from specific areas, you can smear a thin layer of VapoRub on outdoor picnic tables, window frames, or doorway trims where flies frequently land. For indoor protection, dab the ointment onto cotton balls or small strips of cloth and place them near fruit bowls, rubbish bins, or open windows to create a localized scent barrier. While this grease-based repellent provides immediate relief by driving adult flies out of the room, it does not trap them or eliminate their breeding grounds. Method 4. Gnats. Dab a few small dots directly onto the top of the soil. Gnats breed and hover right at the soil surface, and the strong scent barrier keeps new ones from landing to lay eggs. You can also deploy this remedy by smearing a generous ring of VapoRub directly around the rims of indoor plant pots or trash cans to deter them from congregating or laying eggs. Because gnats are incredibly weak flyers, any bugs that attempt to land directly on the greasy ointment will become permanently stuck in the gel and die. Method 5. Closet moths. Clothes moths and pantry moths rely heavily on their sense of smell to find fabrics and dry goods, but the intense fumes of camphor, menthol, and eucalyptus create a sensory barrier that drives them away from closed spaces. To protect your wardrobe or pantry, you can smear a small amount of the ointment onto index cards, wood blocks, or cotton pads or balls, and place them on closet shelves or inside storage chests. Because the thick petroleum base keeps the essential oils from evaporating too quickly, it provides a long-lasting scent shield that discourages adult moths from entering to lay eggs. Method 6. Spiders. Spiders hate strong, minty scents just as much as most other insects. A light smear along window frames, door corners, and behind furniture where webs tend to form creates a scent barrier they'd rather avoid than cross. Method 7. Roaches. This is a big one for renters especially. Roaches travel along walls and hide in dark, warm gaps. Under the sink, behind the fridge, behind the stove. Place Vicks soaked cotton balls in these spots. It won't eliminate a heavy infestation on its own, but it's a strong first line of defense and works great alongside cleanliness and sealing cracks. You can also smear a thick layer of VapoRub along baseboard gaps, under kitchen sinks, behind large appliances, or around pipe entrances where roaches typically enter. Method 8. Silverfish. Silverfish are those creepy little bathroom cabinet dwellers. Tuck a dabbed cotton ball near the pipes under your sink or in the back corner of the cabinet. Silverfish love damp, dark spaces, so pair this with a small dehumidifier or moisture absorber for best results. Method 9. Mice and rodents. This is the one I promised you. Mice have an incredibly sensitive sense of smell, and strong menthol vapor is genuinely unpleasant to them. Soak cotton balls in Vicks and place them at suspected entry points, gaps in baseboards, around pipes, corners of the garage, behind appliances. This will not get rid of an existing nest, but it is a fantastic chemical-free way to discourage mice from entering in the first place, especially combined with sealing up entry holes with steel wool, which mice can't chew through. Method 10. Wasps and bees near eaves. Rub Vicks along the underside of eaves, deck railings, and porch corners early in the season before nests form. Wasps scouting for a nesting spot will move along rather than settle somewhere that smells this strong. Method 11. Fruit flies. Place a small dab of Vicks on a paper towel or cotton ball near your fruit bowl or trash can. It won't trap them like a vinegar trap will, but it works as a scent deterrent to stop new ones from setting up shop on your counter. For your safety, never apply the rub directly to food items you intend to eat, and ensure it remains out of reach of household pets, as camphor and menthol are toxic to dogs and cats. Method 12. Ticks. Before hiking, gardening, or walking in tall grass, rub a small amount of Vicks around your shoe edges, sock line, and pant cuffs. This is where ticks climb on from, and the scent barrier makes it much less inviting. Method 13. Drain flies. Those tiny moth-like bugs that hover around your bathroom or kitchen drain. Apply a thin ring of Vicks just inside the drain opening. It deters new flies from settling in the drain's organic buildup without you needing anything harsher. Finally, here is a few safety notes before you try these. Keep Vicks away from pets and small children who might touch or ingest it. Don't apply directly to broken or irritated skin. Reapply every few days. The scent fades and loses effectiveness. This works best for prevention and deterrence, not for eliminating an existing large infestation. Always patch test on skin before wider use. So there you have it. 13 ways that little blue jar in your medicine cabinet can help you take back your home from pests without a single harsh chemical. If you tried any of these, let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most. And if you want more natural, budget-friendly pest control hacks like this one, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because I've got a video coming up next week on natural drain cleaning that you do not want to miss. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one on how to get rid of pests with hydrogen peroxide.